Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the freeze frame clone trail effect in Capcut for PC. Let's do it! I recommend using a clip that was shot locked in a tripod. Alright, I've got this single clip in my timeline. Let's watch it. A single guy running from left to right. I will make a copy of this clip, pressing Ctrl C. I will press Ctrl V, and I will drag this copy to the beginning right above the first one. So we got identical clips. In this video from above, I will go right here to the cutout tab, and I will select auto cutout. You can see that it's processing, and I will wait until 100%. Okay, we're done, and let's see what just happened. I will hide the first clip, and look what Capcut just did. Now we've got only the main subject, that is a guy running, and that's it. Now that I have a clip without any background, I will make a copy of it, pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and putting in a third layer, and I will hide this for now. I will use it later. And now I will choose in the beginning of the video some frame, like maybe this one. And I will click on freeze. Now this clip was splitted, and there's a single image in the middle, and here the clip goes on until the end, and here the clip starts. I just want to keep the freeze image, so I will delete this first and the last clip of this row of this layer. Okay, now I will reveal the under layer. Okay, and I will keep this freeze image until the guy passes by. Maybe here, that's okay. So I will select the freeze image, and I will press W to cut from this point to the end of the clip. Now we have this effect. Check it out. And I will make the same thing with another clip, the third one. Let's select another point, maybe here. Okay, select the clip, freeze, delete. Okay, pressing W, that's nice, and look the effect. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get new content every week.